stuff over here is crazy. You'll never catch me doing this. This thing right here, that's a slingshot. I'm about to shoot those people up in the air. Look at that. That's crazy. You won't ever catch me doing that right there. Holy moly. I don't hear them screaming or nothing. Wow. And this thing right here, look how close it is to that roof. It's darn near touching the roof. You won't catch me on the slingshot or the Vominator. This stuff's a little bit too wild for me. I'm gonna just slowly back out of this place because it's not for me. But I'll tell you what though, life is good.